Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change Facebook account in 8-ball pool. Changing the Facebook account link to your app is actually quick and straightforward. Start by opening the app and tapping your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're in your profile, head over to the settings gear in the top right. There, you'll see the login with Facebook option. If you've already logged in, tapping it will let you switch accounts. You'll be prompted to log in within the Facebook account you want to connect, and once you select it, your app will update to use that account instead. It's a handy way to manage multiple accounts without any hassle, and it only takes a few taps to get it done. A small tip: make sure you remember your login details for the account you want to switch to so the process is seamless and smooth. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and efficient. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.